Welcome everybody. Trading Jesus is here to notify the prices for ZOMEDICA for tomorrow, the first trading session for the first day in the month. This is really important to set incentive for the price to go higher. So we're gonna check for ZOMEDICA where we're gonna see the price for this month, for the next month, for tomorrow, and what we should expect, and where the buying pressure, where is the some pressure, how we could set our strategy to have a winning trade, not even, and we cut our losses if the price go down. If you are a long holder, we can actually average down at the right prices where the market maker buy, and we have a buying pressure. We could actually go with the wave and not against the trend. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. So bless the like button, and as always, Trading Jesus told you, be patient guys, and hunt for exact price value. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So let's go and see ZOMEDICA, guys. We did the video before at around the 21 of May, I think, or the 22 of May. And I told you guys we're gonna see a massive rejection around this area. Look with me, around the 088 precisely. And look what happened at the last trading session for ZOMEDICA. We hit the 087, just 1 cent, guys. That's why we get this candle, and this candle tell us a lot of information. You know why? Because this candle, look with me closely, let me clarify the candle. So this is undecision candle. It's called undecision candle because the opening of the candle and the ending of the candle, the closing of the candle is the same kind of same price, you see, but the price actually went as high as around our resistance, so tested the market maker test this price. We got massive rejection, go below, test the lowers, and we have a good support. We got bought back, then we went back the same price that we opened. This is undecision candle. So this is really important for ZOMEDICA for the next month. You know why, guys? When you see a candle this in the down trending downtrending behavior like this, this is kind of market try to decide if the now is the reversal or not, because this is the moment if after this we can actually visit the $1 for ZOMEDICA, even $1, even $1, yeah, around $1.02, because this is, if we just pass this, we gonna go to see the $1 for ZOMEDICA for next month for sure, guys. That's why the market maker just decide to test the market here before we gonna see above the 0.89, and here this the moment of truth. If we saw, we're gonna see the price go to $1, guys. So this is a test before we close for the last session for Friday. So the moment that let me see, the momentum is still below the zero. In the small picture, we actually above the zero and trending up. This is perfect scenario. And in the small picture as well, we have a really perfect bounce from our exponential average. This is perfect again. And by tomorrow, guys, we need the price, even if it went down, never go below the 0.81 even, guys. 0.81, I will be really cautious. Around 0.81 even here, this candle here above our exponential average would be preferably to have a bounce here again to test then the 0.89. This is perfect scenario and is not even sign of weakness. If we just get a bit drawback by tomorrow at opening of the market, we might see a bit of downtrending candle, but we need a bought back really fast around this technical area, around the 0.82 or 81.9. So this is precisely about this area. We want to buy back pressure, then we go above to test the 0.89, and this is the point of the no return and go to $1. As we can see here, the exponential average going down, so we have a bit of rejection area here, and we don't want to see a big rejection happen the moment we test here. We don't want to see a test and go around the 0.77, because this is the key level before we visit it. Always consolidate at, but we don't want to see it the moment when we test the resistant area around the 0.89. Because as you know, guys, the more you go lower, the more you need power to take you higher and to test the resistance level again. So the most important thing, or the sign of strength, is hold up above our extinction average 0.82, put it on your paper and bounce and test here, and then we're gonna see the price bounce from our extinction average to go after. Let me make it big, guys, to see here. Yes, we see the price will go here, closing here. After we close here, we're gonna see the price go as far as this level around the $1, and here we're gonna see a bit of rejection before the $1, because at the big picture we have exponential average actually coiling down here. The moment we arrive here, we see a bit of rejection around the $1. So I will take my profit, a bit of profit, about the $8. And there's a technique, guys. I will tell you about my technique, because whenever you feel FOMO, and this is my student actually happened to them, like they can't decide when they sell, so they just hold, they never take a bit of profit. So the best strategy you could do to trick your mind is you never FOMO, is to just take 10%, 20%, whatever you feel comfortable with to sell. At the same time, even the price went up, you never feel FOMO to buy at higher prices, because this has always happened. Whenever go test the resistance, you sell, okay, then the price spike, then we get rejected because you are FOMOing and you never see a closing candle to actually prove or validate the price movement up, and you get caught up with high prices, and the price will go down and you be frustrated and you sell, and here you lose all the profit that you make. This is we don't want to make here. Always wait for confirmation. So always take 10%, 20% around the resistance area, wait for a reversal, then you buy perfectly around the bounce or the buying pressure that we just shown. So be patient, guys. Trading is a marathon, not sprint. So just take it step by step, and always remember there is always opportunity in the market. This is really important, because usually you forget this. I forget this sometimes. That's why I write my strategy down. I just follow with blindly. This is it, man. The more you complicate things, or you don't have predetermined prices, you get confused and you can execute your strategy. That's how I make it in a stock market. At the same time, at least I make profit, not a loss, or I cut losses fast, so I could look for more opportunity in the stock market, because there's opportunity everywhere if you know where you look for them. So without further ado, guys, hopefully you have a nice weekend, and hopefully we see change in trend for ZOMEDICA for the next month. And without further ado, guys, be patient and hunt for exact price value with me, Trading Jesus. So see you guys in the next video.